Welcome back to Rumah Mertua Heritage. Today, we are going to show you our lovely Muladhara room. There are 7 of them. Each room is equipped with a queen bed, air conditioner, electric kettle, minibar, safe deposit box, telephone, TV cable to watch your favorite channels, and a laundry basket is also provided. The bathroom has hot and cold shower and a complete set of amenities. The rooms are located in 2 different locations. Some of them have direct access to the swimming pool, garden, and restaurant. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends and families. For question, reservation, reach our contact on the description below. See you in our next video.